SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to disable background app refresh on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to turn off background app refresh on your iPhone 14, then you need to open the Settings app, scroll down and choose the General option, select Background App Refresh. Now on this menu, if you didn't want to turn off background app refresh entirely, then you could tap the button to the right of individual apps to turn off background app refresh for only those apps. However, if you do want to turn off background app refresh entirely, then you're going to touch the background app refresh button at the top of the screen. Then you're going to select the off option. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.